Welcome back. I hope you guys have followed everything in my video series accordingly. Today, instead of teaching you how to code, I'm going to give you guys a task to do. Okay, I want to see whether have you learned anything from my last few videos. Do you understand what I've been teaching, and can you actually code? Anyone can follow a series of videos and just copy what you see on the screen and put it on your code. That is the easy part. Now it's your turn to create some code. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to give you a few tips on how we can complete the game. All right, okay, let's go. First, we want to make an object for the ball to hit and bounce off. Okay, this object is the enemy. We want to hit that object. Okay, so let me just create another one. We're going to paint again another sprite. Okay, let's give it a color. Let's just give it a red color like the enemy, or pink. Red. Okay, red. Okay, get the what do you call it, the rectangle again. Like before, we want to put this right in the center of the cross. Okay, there you go, done. Okay, let's call this sprite an object. Just call object object. Okay, this is the thing that we want to hit. We want the ball to hit with the pedal, and then we want the red box to disappear when the ball hits. Okay, okay, so let me give you a few tips. I won't actually show you how to code, but I'm going to give you a few tips on how to make the box disappear. Okay, under looks, there is this function. Shh, there's this function called hide. This will actually hide the object when something happens. Okay, so what do you want to do? You want to activate the hide function when the ball touches the object. Okay, and the opposite of hide is show. The show, you want to ensure that the block doesn't actually disappear, but it's just hidden. Okay, so every time when you start your program, you want to ensure that your block is back again. Okay, so let me just give you an example. I'm going to drag this when space is pressed. Okay, we're going to press space bar now. The pedal disappeared. Okay, if I click on the green, the pedal reappeared. Okay, so you need to learn how to code when the ball touches the object. You will need to hide the object. Okay, that is your task. Pro tip, okay, if you really want to learn how to code really well, you can use the other function. The function is called create clone of myself. Okay, this might be a bit difficult for the younger audience, but for the better or the older kids, you can use the clone. Instead of creating 20 objects all around the screen, the cross, multiple objects, you can use the clone yourself. You can use a loop, like loop 20 times and create 20 objects of yourself. You could, but you will need to try and give it a go and explore and see how to do it. Okay, if you can't, for the younger kids, very simple. Just make maybe 4 or 5 objects and place it on top. Arrange it by hand manually where you want to place your objects. Okay, and then do the code where if the ball touches the object, you want to hide hide it. Okay, so that's all the tip for today's video. This will be your task. I will post the solution in a day or two's time. Okay, good luck everyone. Enjoy.